You're making Colin laugh. Alright, you guys, it's a Friday, and I'm so happy to be off. Oh my gosh, it's been a week, I tell you. It never fails. The work weeks that last for, what, 4 days? They go the slowest. Anyways, I'm on my way home, gonna go pick up the boy, and we'll do like a recap on what happened to us last night as soon as I get home. Both Russ and I will tell you. It was nuts.
Okay.
Whoa! Oh!
Here you go. Throw this one. Now throw it.
Oh, is it dead?
Throw it.
Throw it hard.
Down, hard. No, you gotta throw it hard.
Come on, go like this. Ah.
Ow.
Wow! He still just toss. No. You're so cute. Here's all the junk that we're gonna sell tomorrow. It's been a whirlwind. Over here was where the mess was, but I cleaned it up. This is my art section. I actually paint and I crochet, and I'm very artistically inclined. Then over here, I'm not messing with any of this because this is all Russell's stuff. My goal is to clean this place out so I can use my art section. That's my goal. But all this is going. Whether I sell it in the yard sale tomorrow or not, it's going to Goodwill otherwise. Once Dad is done setting up Bella's new phone, which we got, Russ and I will discuss what happened last night. For those of you who were wondering where our Thursday Night Live chat was, we will explain that together.
So last night we were supposed to go live on our award-winning live, and we couldn't because the internet messed up. And the reason why the internet messed up, we had a lightning
thunderstorm.
Yeah, big old lightning storm. And it struck our house along with two other houses on the neighborhood. Mm-hmm. And it knocked out, it tripped breakers in our house, GFCIs. Luckily, it was just breakers and GFCIs doing their jobs.
Yeah, but then there was also the fire department and an ambulance that came by down the street.
Yes.
To this other house actually got really hit, about 3 times from what we heard, and their electrical system is shot. They've
got actual issues that are going to have to be rewired in their house.
Yeah. I'm kind of glad that's what happened because I was really worried that the kids down the street were outside, and I was...
Yeah, that's the biggest thing is there's kids playing outside, and then all of a sudden the thunder hit. It was just
wind
one of those
at
things
first.
Where everything lit up. Everything lit up.
Oh, it was bright.
And it was an instant, light boom, all at the same time. All the lights got, super, daylight amount of brightness, and then slowly dimmed.
It was crazy.
It was nuts.
Hello, you owe the IRS $2,000. To pay this, you need to give Bella Ward a gift card.
So, Nana, this is Bella's new cell phone number.
Ooh, let me write it down. I'll put it in my phone. Oh, you have a cell phone. I can text you.
Dad said it was loud.
She's a little tween now.
Yep.
Sad day. Put our address on the white box.
Do we really need to? Or can we just... What I'm thinking is not put our address on these signs, and then we'll be elite and we'll sell the signs in the... Ow! Stabbed myself in the leg.
Honey. Alright, got the garage sale signs up. Ugh. Whoa, baby. Alright, so you want to take these? You got some tape?
I'll use my loud tape.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. How loud is it?
It's roar.
Roar. There you go. That's how it goes. All right, Dad. We'll see you in a bit. All right.
Who is the world leader?
World's greatest leaders. 8 Anna Neriano. 7 Margaret.
You just asked Bixby to start calling him world leader.
Okay, hold on. Hi, Bixby. Who is world leader?
I didn't understand that.
Oh my god, this is amazing. This is awesome.
Hi, Bixby. Who am I?
You are world leader, of course.
Finally! Third time's a charm.
All right, Ashleigh. Ashleigh's gonna go on the hoverboard.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm just gonna kill myself.
She's gonna try it for the first time. Let's see it.
Oh my god, it's already wanting to go.
Okay, go. There you go. She didn't even fall. Now you gotta lean forward a little bit.
With your toes.
Yep, with your toes, not your body. No, she's baby stepping it.
Just like we did the first time.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go forward with my body like Russ did.
Oh.
We're just over halfway done for the day, you guys, and we are sold out. Like, not even joking. Some lady came by and literally said, okay, I'm taking like a whole box of baby clothes. And then she said, I'm gonna text a couple friends of mine who are having babies or have babies, and we're gonna sell you guys out.
Bella and I are going to set up the pool, but we've got a lot of air to pump up, and we've got one of these dual action pumps, so it's gonna take a while. All right, ready to Bella? Let's do this. Well, honey, what do you think?
I think it was a success, but
Yeah?
now I'm exhausted and I want to go take a nap.
Yeah, it was fun. Wait, what is this, Colin? What do you got there? Is that $1 for the gun show? Oh yeah, show us your muscles. Show them.
He's showing them off.
Sweet, it's pool time.
In the water, Pop Pop. Oh, see, she likes it. She's drinking it. Oh, good girl.
That's totally what I would do.
You're making Colin laugh.
Hey Bella, where should we go to dinner?
Red Robin.
Yum.
Colin is an Iano. You know why? Because of that.
It's a goateed, oinker-cowed Musa whale. Yes.
I don't know, everyone. I really don't. Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy.
Right here, buddy.
We're giving him an early
Oh,
present
thank
for
you,
Father's
sir.
Day, because he'll use it for Father's Day.
What? I can space geek out for real now. Look at this. Yeah. Look at all those space penetrators.
And BFR.
Big
Big.
Falcon rocket. Oh, hey, oh, hey. Yeah, good job, buddy.
That's Dada. That's Dada. Colin, he just went out in the garage, baby. It's okay. He'll be back. There he is. Yay! He's so excited to see you, Dada.
What you doing, buddy? Colin, are you popping bubbles? Yeah. Okay, guys, so we were gonna wait for Bella. She's at church right now. I gotta plant these now because some of the tomato plants are really starting to wilt. They need to be planted soon. So, oh yeah, it's been a while, but this will be looking good by the end of the day.
All right, Mr. Man's all ready. He's all slathered in his sunscreen. Ready to get little man in?
Yeah, let's do this.
Oh,
Come here, Mr. Man. Don't you run away.
Colin!
Uh-oh, buddy.
Woo! Woo! Look at you! Oh, look at his pants. They changed.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Dude, that looks so real.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
that is so cool.
Get it, Colin.
Colin, get the fishy. It's a fish. Fish. Yeah, it's a fish. You guys, he already had a little splash. Bella saved him. Hey, don't tip it. Don't tip it. Hey. Because then that, yeah, then that happens. Whoa. Watch it.
It is. Watch it.
So ever since after pool time, we've all been kind of busy. Russ made dinner, pork loin and some corn on the cob. Yum. Thanks, honey.
Mm-hmm.
I've been upstairs doing laundry galore and cleaning our bedroom, which has been much needed.
So we didn't get everything done today, but you know what? We did a ton of stuff today. So we've got the green beans planted, our zucchini, and then our cucumbers planted, as well as earlier today, like I showed you guys, the tomato plants and the bell pepper plant. Also, our apples are really starting to come in. They're about the size of grapes now. I really did not expect so many apples, but look at how many apples are on this darn tree.
Well, guys, it's been a really fun weekend, but I think we're gonna end the vlog right here. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.